What's up, I'm Kiara from Outdoor Dummies. Today we're going to make a high lift mount jack for my Jeep XJ. So the supplies you're going to need to make this high lift mount are brackets. We got these ones from Lowe's, some bolts, wing nuts, and washers.
It's only about 12 bucks in total.
Alright, so this high lift is a little too long to fit horizontally along the back side of the hatch. So we measured it and marked it off to where we're going to have to cut it off. So we're going to take out these brackets in the rear. We're going to be using an 8mm socket. Alright, after you get done just taking out the bottom two of this bracket, we're going to move on and do the same thing on the other side.
So just loosen the top ones up here, so that way you can get this spun around and be able to get this piece of bar behind it. So what we'll have to do is line up one of the holes, and then we'll have to drill another hole so that way it lines up, and this is going to sit behind that bracket. So you're going to center punch a hole here at 1 5/8 from center to center. Then after you do that, just drill a small one to make it easier as a pilot hole. You don't have to, but it just makes it easier.
You're just going to hand tighten these.
Mark the hole where you need to put the next hole to attach it to this, and then over here we can get our other bracket, and it'll line up just like that, and we'll put our other bolt in over on this side.
So now we're going to take this bracket right behind here. We're going to take our factory hardware and type this in.
There you go. So we just have a bar coming out here with our bolt coming out on this side, and over on this side it just comes out from the two bottom nuts as well, and then it makes a 90, and this nut or bolt is welded on the back as well here. So yeah, just slide that on there. You just slide your one on there, and then you come over to this side. Now we finally will shut the seat. It's a little tight now, but it will shut. What we'll do is take one of these washers, put it over here on the other side, followed by a wing nut. So while she's putting that side on, I'm going to just put one wing nut on this side, because you should not need a washer over here. So it's tight, go ahead and give it a wiggle, make sure. Yep, it's not going anywhere. So if you hear anything rattling, it's probably just this stuff here. It's something around here rattling around, but it's natural for that to happen. So that's how we have our high lift jack mounted. It was only about $12 to mount the entire thing. If you have any questions, just go ahead and put it in the comments.